Hello everybody, I'm Xavi Ricard and I live here in Girona, the most wonderful romantic city of the world. Welcome to the new adventure. Today we explain all the future tourists. Welcome to the old city of Girona. I will present the most touristic and amazing places. So what are you waiting for? Come here and follow me. Let's do it.
That's right, about 100 kilometers from Barcelona is located Girona, one of the two places that when you see it, you think, that's so beautiful. So the entrance to the old town of Girona is crossing the river Unya, where you find the first postcard of the city. The old city is immaculately preserved and walk in the streets. You make a tour several centuries of architectural, history and religious, because within the walls of the city have lived for centuries Jews, Christians and Muslims. But if there is a building that prevails in the city, it is the Cathedral of Santa Maria, located at the foot of a spectacular staircase. The Girona Cathedral was built between the 11th and 12th centuries with elements of Romantic, Gothic and Baroque architecture. Here we can see the square neoclassical style most popular in Girona. The name refers to the Spanish War of Independence against Napoleon Bonaparte. It is a busy place due to the large number of restaurants here. In the center of the square stands a monument commemorating in the 1809 defenders of the city of Girona, created by the sculptor Antoni Pereira. If you want to drink something and to be with your friends, it's the perfect place to enjoy.
Girona Temps de Flors is a flower exhibition. It's done in Girona and happens every year during the month of May. This event started in 1954, so it's been about 61 years that we are doing this activity. Hi, I am Mireia and I want to show you some of the nice pictures of this event in my city. The creator was Maria Cubarsí, and every May, this spring festival has been held for a week, attracting people from all over the world. The first edition consisted of exhibiting bouquets of flowers and plants, but the duration was only a weekend. This was so successful that they decided to follow it year after year. During this flower festival, privately owned courtyards, patios and gardens are exhibited as an itinerary marked through the city. In the map, you can see the old city of Girona. All the dots in purple are spots that you can visit. Some of them are public places, but some other are private houses that they only open during this week in May. As you can see in the pictures, there are lots of different themes, such as music, colors, nature, or even food. Some days, the exhibition is still open at night, so it's nice to see the city from another point of view. This event also involves the town hall mayor, the citizens, different companies, and everyone in the city. Every year is a surprise. Each year is completely different. It's also very interesting because they also involve different schools in the city. So there is a street where they can use recycled materials, and then the schools, they make a small trip to Girona so they can go and visit what they have done.